In this video, I will show you how to make WordPress site private. Let's get started. In order to do that, we actually need to install a plugin. So scroll down right here until you can see the option for plugins, and then click on this add new plugin right here. Now, once you have done that, it will actually redirect you to the plugin marketplace of WordPress. Now, in here, you can see the search bar. So what you can do is you can click on this right here and search in here for maintenance. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see some relevant search results. So for this one, let's install this maintenance by web factory. So click on this. And then after you have done that, click on this install and activate. And then it will actually install this particular plugin. Now, as you can see, it has been installed and it's already been activated. So if you know how to make this activate, is if when you install it, it will already be activated. As you can see, we have the option deactivate. That means it's been activated. So what you can do is you can scroll down right here until you can see the option for maintenance. Click on that right here, and then it will direct you to the actual settings and dashboard of that. So this is what it will look like right here. Now you can see they have plans available as well, and you can have in here the settings section. You can make this page title site is undergoing maintenance, and once people who doesn't have the access or doesn't have permission to access the site will be able to be presented with this one right here. But if they have access, they will be able to access our website without all of these things right here. So you can click on the save changes right here and it will actually save this particular thing on your website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.